Hello and welcome. My name is Liz, for those that don't know me. I have decided that I'm going to do a 7-day training series for you guys on Canva. So let's get started and jump in with our video. I'm going to share my screen with you, so let's go. Okay, so in this video, I just want to quickly show you how to copy from one document to another, just the style that you've set up. So for instance, I have now just all right, in this video, I just wanted to quickly show you how to use the effect. No, not the effects. Hi, in this video, I just wanted to show you how to use the styles, the copy style little paint roller. So I've changed this so it really stands out so that you can see what I'm doing. So see how this is a different font, different size. I've made it uppercase, and I just want to copy everything that I've already done to this font. So I'm going to just click on it so that box is lit up. I'm going to find this paint roller. It might just be across here. So I'm going to hit that. That's a copy style paint roller. So we're going to copy that. See how it's now gone black? Now we're going to find where we want to change, and we're just going to click on that now that we've got the roller going over the top of it. And see how it just copies that exact style down to document. So if you have multiple pages but you only want to change like a couple of headings or something, you don't want to change the whole style, you can use that paint roller to easily go through and just change what you need to, copying the style straight down. Okay, so that's just another tip that I thought you might be interested in. I hope that this video has helped you, and if you are enjoying it and you'd like to see some more, please like and subscribe and follow along with this series. I will drop a playlist at the end here so that you can find the rest of the videos. Have a great day.